How's it going on, guys? Today I've brought you another tutorial. My last tutorial was how to make an Independence Day flag for Pakistan, and next time today it's a different tutorial, so let's get started. Okay, to use OBS, first of all go to its website and download it. Just type OBS Studio. Go to open broadcast software and select Windows and then install it. So after installing it would show you a blank screen like this one. Okay, there will be blank over here. So to record the screen, first of all add a display capture. Go to add and the display capture and name it screen or whatever you want. And if you have double monitors, then select your monitor for here, like display 2 or display 3, whatever the monitor is. Click OK. And now we have 2 display captures. We don't need 2, so we can delete our old one. Click on yes. And now click on add again and select window capture. If you wanted to select only one window, only one screen, so like pop-up window or just Chrome, so click on name it Chrome or whatever the app you are using, Chrome. And now here it is, select the chrome.exe or whatever it is, and if it is not working, then first of all click on Chrome and now click on OBS and it would work. And now click on OK. Now if you delete the display capture, even the screen, then it would only capture Chrome, not your taskbar or anything else. Okay, and now if you want to turn off the mic, and if you want to turn it back on, set this to 100, just like this. If you want to mute the microphone, turn it back on. Okay, and this desktop audio is the music and the thing that you are capturing. Okay, and you can also start streaming if you want, but you need a stream key. I will make another tutorial on it, or just go watch someone else's tutorial, link in the description. And now click on media source if you want any music while streaming, if you want a music to be there while streaming. And now click on OK. And now wait, click on properties, settings icon, and browse for your music. Here you can now browse your music. Okay, I don't want any music, so I can cancel and cancel. Okay, and delete the media source if I want to remove the music. Okay, and now if you want your webcam to be shown, click on video capture device, name it webcam or whatever you want. Click on OK and wait, it's coming. And now here's my camera high and here. And if you want it to capture everything except the webcam, then all you have to do is just add a display capture. And now for example, I wanted to capture zoom only. I'll select the zoom. Okay, till it opens, let me show you another thing. I really love it. Okay, our zoom is open. So if you wanted to capture your zoom, so you have to add a window capture, name it zoom, and select zoom. Is like zoom is not coming at that moment. Select zoom and select it again. Wait, oh guys, if you want to capture zoom, so you have to add display capture anyhow. So if you want to capture a game, then minimize, make sure your game is on full screen, and then click on the window button from your keyboard, window key from your keyboard, and it will make you back in your desktop. This one, make sure your game is on full screen, and then add a game capture. I don't have a game in this laptop, so I can't. And now select your game. I don't have a game capture, so I cannot. Okay, cancel it. Wait guys, I'm coming. I am back here, and if you wanted to your name and frame just like Preston and other YouTubers, so it's really interesting. Let's get started with it. Just remove everything else. We don't need them. No, you may need it. I don't need it. You may need it. Don't remove yours if you need it. Okay, and here I have my webcam, and let's add frame in our webcam and everything just like Preston, even the name. Okay, click on HDRI plus and name it name. Click on OK. Type your name, whatever is it. My name is Ayan, so I will type Ayan. Wait, just make sure you are in caps lock if you want the name to be in a particular. And here you can select the size and everything. I want it to be bandwidth and ethnic. And get down. You can select your color. I want the color to be green, maybe. No. Yes, I can go with red. And border color, background color. We can go with yellow. Click OK. Wait, the background color is not good. I have a display capture, so my name is a bit dusty. But your name, don't worry, your name wouldn't be like that. And here I am at. Okay, so if you want a frame, just download it from the link in the description, and after downloading, click on image, add an image like this. Add a image, name it frame. Download the frame from the link in the description. I will provide a link in the description for the frame. Click on new volume D /Ayan, and wait, I'm defining my frame. I put it somewhere here. Wherever you save it, it will be there. Come on, where's my frame? It must be in the channel. No, where's my frame? Maybe in the videos. This is my frame. And now, okay, and wait, I don't remember how I remove this green screen. Wait, guys, we have to look for it. Pencil. Yes, I did some kind of work here. I think this maybe in studio mode. But transition not here. Even maybe at the settings. Oops, there must be journal or keys. Wait, where is the chroma key? Wait, guys, I guess so. I have to watch a tutorial for that. Just wait, guys. And till the time I'm removing my webcam. Yes. Filter. Yes, I remember. Filters. Yes, yes, I got it. Wait. That's chroma key. Why isn't it coming? Wait. Hey guys, I don't know why isn't the chroma key icon coming here. No. Wait, yeah, I've done it too big. Make it small and put the filter up, and here we go. Add a chroma key, and yes, okay. And now you're done with your frame. Click on close. Add your camera back with the video capture device. Click on OK. Click on OK. Select your frame. Put it wherever you want it to be. Wait, I want my camera to be a bit smaller for that. And here we go. And as you guys can see, the name is not appearing. To make it appear, just make it at the front. And here's my frame. I can do my webcam large if I want to get inside the frame. No, I have to make my webcam even smaller for that. So yes, wait a bit and make the name smaller. Here is it. Okay guys, it's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe and drop a sweet comment so you can come in next time in the shoutouts of the month. I have made a video about shoutouts of the month if you are a returning user in my channel. If you are not, then subscribe. And I've also made a trailer, so make sure you watch it and then subscribe because I need a view too. Bye guys.